Hey guys, what's going on? And today we're going to be looking at the R.I.G.G gang map treasure. So this is the first map that you get on the quest. The bits that we want to look at are the hollows and the trees, so we think we know where we're going to go for this one. Where you get this original map is just down here, just down in the Dakota River, just west of Flat Neck Station. There's a little stranger question mark that pops up, so definitely worth a look. You can do it being good or bad. You can either buy the map from him or just kill him and take it, but that's where you can get the first map for the treasure. So when we look at the map itself, as you can see, I've taken us over to this little spot just over here. You can see this little ridge right in the middle of the canyon, and that is right here. So I'm going to show you on the map at Caliban Seat. So this is exactly where you can start the quest. So you can place your marker right here at this point, get yourself over to this point, and you can see I've dismounted from my horse. You've got to go up a few little ridges, and you can do that with your horse, but your horse is really likely to get stuck up there and it won't come down, so you just end up having to go back up and get your horse, which is a real pain. So as we're looking over here, you can see you get to this little campsite, and we just start to go down the little valley here. Now you've got to be really careful on these ledges because there's a few little jumps to make, and I'm just going to come across and jump. God, wow, that was close. Okay, and we're just going to go up over this little ridge here, down, and this is where I slipped off. I've done it a couple of times now, so I slipped off this little part here, but this little crevice, as you can see, you come up with a little search icon and you can just see that you pull out a pearl necklace and you pull out the R.I.G.G gang map treasure map 2. Okay, so then looking at this one, we can see we're looking at some geysers and some rock formations as well. So this, I think, will be up near the springs. So this is directly north of Valentine, and we're looking at the Katora Springs. I've actually been up here before to get the legendary wolf, which is a really cool little side quest that you can do. So we're going to head straight up there now to have a look and see what we can find. So when you arrive at the springs, you can see here you've got the springs, just like the map shows you, left, middle, and on the right hand side, and you've got a little rock formation just at the bottom here, and you just want to pay attention. So that's exactly where you need to be to start, and you can just walk straight up to this almost mushroom looking type rock, and if you walk straight up here very nice and slowly, you'll get the search icon back up. You can have a look around and you'll get the R.I.G.G gang map for the next stage, and this is the one where you can get the final treasure. There's actually 3 gold bars here, which is awesome, which you can sell to the fence for £500 or $500 each, and you can get the pearl necklaces and other little bits and pieces that you pick up, and you can sell them to the fence as well. So looking at that map, we're looking at a little island in the middle of a lake here, and this is just over here at R.I.G.G Run. So we want to go to just this nearest point here, just where, because we're actually going to have to swim out to the island, and we don't want to have to swim too far because you could drown and die, and that's the end of your mission. So what we're going to do, we'll jump straight back on horse, we'll head over there, and we're going to come right the way down into this crevice. So we're going to come all the way down this area here. We're just going to come onto this outcrop of the rock, and we're going to jump straight down through the water, and we're actually going to jump off our horse in a second, just so we can swim across. There's no point taking the horse. The island is absolutely tiny and you need to jump up onto the rock itself. So we're going to swim across here, and what we're going to be looking for is anything that's unusual, anything that's a little bit strange, and then we should be able to get all of our gold bars and take them to the fence and sell them for lots of riches. So here we go, we're just going to jump up here onto the island itself. That's perfect, and there we go, and you can just see there's a little rock there, and you get examined straight away pop up, and there you have your 3 gold bars. So you can take those straight to any fence, you can sell them straight away, $500 a bar. Like and subscribe if you like the video.